Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to use consistent font sizes and font weights. In a previous design tip, I've told you guys to use consistent font sizes, like fewer font sizes. Like if you're using 14 pixels, just use 14 pixels at most of the place. If you're using 16 pixel font size, just use 16 pixels everywhere as much as possible. But today I want to talk about using the consistent font weight with it also. So if you see this page that we have here, you can see this has 20 pixel font weight. So this is the main heading of the page, so it will be a little bigger, so might be a little big, but everything else is 14 pixels here, 14 pixels, 14 pixels here, 14 pixels here, 14 pixels here, 14 pixels here. So everything else is 14 pixels except this notice thing, notice badge that we have here. Everything else is 14 pixels. So have a specific body font size and use it everywhere. Even things like this heading also, you can use the body font size itself, because it will make your UI look better, because it's not your eye is not jumping around at all the font sizes in the page. We have the main heading as one font size, which is a little bigger, but everything else will be as uniform as possible. And talking about font sizes, font weights should also be uniform as possible, because all the heading that we have over here, so heading like this, everything has a font weight of semi-bold. So all the headings are semi-bold, so that the subconsciously the user will know that, okay, so this is semi-bold, so this should be this is a heading over here, and these are like the paragraph, these will have 14 pixels regular, and color also it's somewhat muted. So yeah, so that the user will know, okay, this is description all the time. And having mono font for things like these code and API things, so we can have mono font for that. So yeah, all the button sizes are all the same, it's 14 pixels. So use consistent font size and use consistent font weights for everything. Always try to have like one font size, one body size, and one or two heading sizes like this. But most of the time you can use one font size, which is great. You can play around with font weight a little bit. Don't go like full bold on the body font weight. Always have semi bold as the maximum. In landing pages you can go bold. For like bigger font sizes you can go bold, but for like small font sizes like 14 or 16 pixels, you try to have like semi bold as the maximum bold in your app. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Let me know if these UI tips are helpful, and let me know what other UI tips that you want, and I can make more. That's it for today. Bye bye.